Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to easily activate your HealthEquity card, either online or by phone. Follow these simple steps to get your card up and running. Option 1. Activating your card. Online, visit the HealthEquity website. Open your browser and go to www.my.healthequity.com. Sign in to your account. Click on the Sign In button at the top right of the page. Enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, click Register to create one. Navigate to Card Activation. Once logged in, look for the Activate Your Card section under your account settings or menu. This will guide you through the activation process. Enter your card information. You'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV, found on the back of your card. Confirm your information, double-check your details, and click Activate. After confirmation, your HealthEquity card is ready to use. Option 2. Activating your card by phone call. Customer support. Find the customer service phone number on the back of your card or visit the HealthEquity website. Call the number provided. Follow the automated instructions. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. The automated system will guide you through the process. Confirmation. Once your card is activated, you'll receive a confirmation message or notification over the phone. Troubleshooting. Tips: forgot your login. Details: use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password options online to recover your account. Issues: activating by phone. If you experience any problems, speak to a customer service representative for assistance. And that's it. You're all set to use your HealthEquity card for eligible health expenses. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.